everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we'll got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and repost someone else's story to your story right there in Instagram. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and start our video. So if you want to do so, let's go ahead and open our Instagram. So once the app is open, for example, so there are some things that you have to take note of. So for example, if I tap on this person's story, I won't be able to repost it, because for that purpose you will have to get mentioned or get tagged in that person's story right there. So for example, if I go to my message box, as you can see, I have got this message from this person, and you can see I have been tagged over here. So if I tap on this story, I will say add this to your story option. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and now I will be able to repost this story there in my Instagram right there. So for that purpose I can simply go ahead, tap on this button and tap on the share option, and I have been successfully reposted. If I go back, tap on my story right here, and you can see I have done reposting that person's story over here. So yes guys, this is it. This is the way you can do it. You will have to get mentioned or tagged right there in other person's story, and you will be able to repost it. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.